only gonna be
Railyn.
Oh. Hey guys, I got chicken ball. It's not even.
We love Auntie Anne's to get our pretzel dogs.
Sour. Come on, huh? I'm gonna do a 5 pound.
No, this one. Oh, I got you like that. Fourth place again?
At the same time.
Let's do this one. Is that you're on that side? Let's play.
Oh my god. I forgot.
Makes me twice. One for you, one for me.
I'm going 25. Okay, I'll select it.
No, but you're about to.
Oh my god.
You want not the ramen noodle? But you love ramen noodles.
I wasn't gonna get it, but I'm gonna end this for Nova because I wanted to feel good.
Oh, let's see if we could win it for Nova. That was nice. Let's hope.
Yeah, let's go. 95 already.
All right, let's do this for Nova. For Nova. She's homesick right now. Oh, please, please, please. Oh, no. I don't like those. Maybe we could find her something at the store, maybe, and get it for her. That is a scam. How you get two and they both get knocked back down?
For real.
How does that happen?
Like that, yeah, like that was so tight. Let me see. I want my phone on me.
I know it's getting fixed. Why don't you have your phone on you? What happened to your phone?
Oh, it's getting fixed.
Why is it getting fixed?
Got a wallet decided to crack.
No, not well like you. Costing me a lot of money to get it fixed. Hold on. This one's my favorite. One for you, one for me.
Waiting for red. Yellow player, shoot.
55 left.
Oh, is it me first? Go. Hurry up, boy. Doing too much for nothing. Oh.
Player, shoot. Red player, shoot.
That was a go. That was a he did mine by accident. He's red.
Hurry up. Yellow player, shoot. Hurry up. Three.
Get that connect four right there. No. Go because I'm gonna win. Right there. If I get it in right there, I have to connect four. You didn't notice that. You didn't notice that. Oh wait, right now, watch. Raise it over there.
You're actually gonna win.
Hurry up.
I missed.
Red player, shoot.
Oh, you tried. Oh, try again. Oh, okay, you did not block me. Now watch me win. Make sure you got this. Make sure you got this.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Got it.
Yellow, you win.
That's right. Yellow wins. There's a clown. I like the clown. It's not. Oh no! It's my favorite. And it's down. It's out of service. Go ride a motorcycle. Yeah. Yeah, your tricks made you go back to 8th place. Ooh, how you made that happen? It was all those tricks you were doing. Look at that. That's my boy. Mr. Cool Guy over here. You have 35 left and that's 30. So you could only do it one try and then we'll go pick up your phone. Your phone should be ready. You gonna try again? All right, that's it. Let me see if I can help you this time so that way we could get it. Well, that was a good try though. Let's see. Come on, come on. Yeah, I think you should go more that way, more to the left. Let's see, I don't know. Oh no. Usually you do good with these, but today it's just not doing it. Oh well, let's go see if your phone is fixed. Can you see your phone? Got it fixed. Alright, cool. Let's go get something to eat. What are you gonna do with your phone moving forward? You're gonna take care of it?
It wasn't me that made it fall.
It was you.
No, it was one thing I was trying to hold it, and then he dropped it. Because I was trying to hold it, and then after that she called me, and then after that it fell off.
All right, let's go look for Wella. She's somewhere around here. I'm gonna go catch her. I'm gonna go scare her. Don't let her see you. Oh, this way. Go that 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 way. Go, go, go. Go straight, 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 straight. Right there, turn, turn, turn. That was too soon. Why are you still here?
Because I can't find nothing from Nadine.
Flip it over here. Let's see what we're gonna eat. Not open. What we got in here?
I'm going to ask open it.
Look this way. I keep forgetting. What you got?
We got,
Do you know everything you got?
yeah, I don't know what this is. It's like a chip.
Crab raccoon. You put it right there.
Crab raccoon. Kind of weird, but it's not. They have the word raccoon in it.
Ragoon.
Oh. And then
Noodles.
And then we got look. I don't know. Lo mein.
Lo mein. And this is the chicken you chose, which is honey
chicken and that's one.
Orange chicken. I chose the orange chicken. So let's try it.
I didn't need water. I need water now.
Don't be taking my water. Better get this out the way.
I'm gonna try the chicken first.
Go. That's the orange chicken. That's the honey chicken.
Hey guys, so we're at the mall, and I tried to get something for Nova because she was sick, but I failed. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat from the mall. And yeah.
You're gonna do it right. It's because it's tight.
And eat pretzels. It's sour. And yeah. I'm gonna go get something to eat. And we do that. In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so I'm at the mall eating Chinese food.
Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Take one more bite. What the huele? What the huele? Open it, open it, open it, open it, open it. What the what? Oh, Wella, what's that?
Spaghetti. Dominican spaghetti.
That's not Dominican spaghetti, but
That's not Dominican.
it's some type of spaghetti from a
Spaghetti.
Spanish
Ah,
spot.
está bueno.
And let's try. Aiden,
Yeah, try.
it looks like a sopa. It's okay.
Te lo pollas.
Okay. There she goes. Another bite.
Okay, I guess.
All right.
Yeah.
I actually already digged in.
I didn't even see you with your noodles.
I already digged in. I ate one chicken. I ate one of these chickens.
He already had a chicken. Get a baby piece. Get a big bite.
Oh my god.
That's it.
The boy over here with his chopsticks. Can't even hold them together. There we go. Take a bite. That was a short one. Ending our mall trip with some milkshake lovers. The best milkshakes. Raylyn's a big back. That's why he has that medium one. I know, but you're a big back. That's why. Cheers.
Cheers.
We got a big back over here. It is hard. Grab your phone. Let's go. Wait for it to get soft. Herb, don't do that. Wait for it to get soft. You got some? Okay. Let's go. I mean, she's too small.
Yeah, she is too small. She can't sit. Yeah.
How was your last minute mall trip? It was not planned. How was it?
Good.
Good. What was your favorite part?
The milkshake and arcade.
Milkshake in arcade. Okay.
You went to the arcade? Really?
I mean, you would know if you didn't stay at one store for 2 hours.
The arcade without me? Did you go to the arcade without me? I like that.
I need
Without me?
It's not my fault.
that you take forever.
Wow. I could believe me. I like going there. You know I'm a big kid.
This milkshake is good and it's almost gone. Oh, it's cold. Trying to get back. Here we are drinking ice cream in this weather. Us. My hands are freezing. Oh, bye. I gotta go. It's so cold. Raylyn and Nova had plans to go to the indoor water park, but Nova got sick, so last minute we went to the mall. And we feel terrible because she's homesick and we wish she could be here with us. She's not. We hope she's
I'm doing okay.
Feeling better.
And Noah, if you're watching this, I love you.
Oh,